Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to trade gold on IC markets in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first thing, we need to log in on our account on IC markets global website, and after that, yes, we make sure you have a demo account or live account. So let's just use the demo account. Okay, so next go to the left side and click the download tabs. And okay, so go to the web trader to visit this website. And after that, we're going to choose demo because we're just doing the demonstrations, and click continue to MT5. Okay, just have to wait. Mhm. Okay, so what we're gonna do is all you need to do is to search that symbol. Let's say gold. Okay, there's no gold here, but we can actually use this one for trading for gold. Okay, so after that, just add some here. The value you can also let's say use some limit. Okay, it's up to you guys. And after that, okay, so after filling up the form, you can place your order. So for me, I don't have a balance here, so that's it guys. So that's why I can place order. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy and learn from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Markets global website. Thank you.